Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here I have drawn triangle ABC and triangle PQR, median AD and PM. Median means the line segment drawn from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this BD and DC are the half of this length BC. Similarly here QM and MR are the half of this length QR. Here we need to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So I have drawn two triangles and named triangle ABC and PQR. Corresponding parts I have written here. First one, angle BAC equal to angle QPR. Next, angle ABC equal to angle PQR. Then angle BCA equal to angle QRP. Then AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. In the question you can see it is given AB, BC and AD are proportional to PQ, QR and PM. That is AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. It is given in the question. So this AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, this condition is true. We can take it to yes, we will get from there. Then we need to get either one more yes or one more angle. So to get one more angle, we are going to prove first this part of this triangle ABC and PQR. That is first triangle ABD and this triangle PQM are similar. If we prove they are similar, we will get one of the angles which is here. So we are going to prove this ABD similar to PQM first. So, in triangle ABD and PQ, we are going to prove it. We are taking the given condition. Given is AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. Now, you can see this BC by QR is not part of this triangle. Only half of BC, that is BD, and half of QR, that is QM, only here. So, for this section we can take half. So implies AB by PQ equal to half BC by half QR equal to AD by PM. Implies AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. Now we have got three conditions. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. So we can say this triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SSS similarity criterion. So we can say this angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Angle ABD means it is angle B. Angle PQM means it is angle Q. So we can say angle ABD equal to angle PQM. Reason is corresponding parts of similar triangles. So we have got angle B equal to angle Q. It is here also angle B and angle Q. So we can select this condition angle ABC equal to angle PQR because angle ABD is same angle ABC. Angle PQM is same angle PQR. So we can write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABC equal to angle PQR proved above. Then these two conditions AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, it is given. Here we got 2S and here 1A. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, SAS similarity criterion. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square equal to CB into CD. Here I have drawn the figure also. So we needed to prove CA square equal to CB into CD. I have written CA square is like this. CA into CA equal to CB into CD. Then after that I just divided this CA to right side and this CB to left side. So I have got like this: CA by CB equal to CD by CA. This I have just written only for a convenience to find the answer. This is not the part of the answer. Now you see, it came in the form of a proportional value. Now we can form a pair of triangles. From the upper portion we can make a triangle CAD. Then from the lower portion we can take another triangle CBA. So we have got two triangles CAD and CBA, and this is the corresponding sides of that two triangles. So to prove this portion, we need to prove these two triangles are similar. That is triangle CAD and triangle CBA. So I have drawn two triangles and named CAD and CBA. And the corresponding parts I have written: angle ACD equal to angle BCA, CAD equal to CBA, ADC equal to BAC. Then CA by CB equal to AD by BA equal to CD by CA. So this last portion is remaining there to prove. So from the remaining part we can find out equal corresponding parts. It is given in the question angle ADC equal to angle BAC. It is also here. So we can select that one. In triangle CAD and CBA, angle ADC equal to angle BAC given. Then the first one you see, angle ACD and angle BCA. See the figure ACD, BCA. Both are same angle, that is angle C. So we can write angle ACD equal to angle BCA. The reason is common. So we have got two angles. So we can write triangle CAD similar to triangle CBA. Therefore, we can write CA by CB equal to CD by CA, corresponding parts of similar triangles. Then cross multiply. We get CA into CA equal to CB into CD. That is CA square equal to CB into CD. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So I have drawn the figure. Let this AB be the vertical pole with height 6 meter, and this is the shadow with length 4 meter. Here another vertical tower. The shadow is 28 meter long. The height of the tower we need to find out. We can see both are right triangles, so we can see they are similar. So this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So the sides are proportional. That is AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. That is 6 by PQ equal to 4 by 28. Cross multiplying we get 6 into 28 equal to PQ into 4. PQ equal to 6 into 28 divided by 4. That is equal to 42 meter. Therefore, the height of the tower is 42 meter. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.